Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to crop image in circle shape in Word document. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. First you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and then go to the picture and click on this device and select the image you want to crop. For example, I'm selecting this one, and after that click on the picture and you will see this there is a picture format on the right side on the top menu bar, and then click on the crop and you need to click on that, and then you need to click on the crop to shape, and here you will see that basic shape, that is the circle. You need to click on that, and here you can see that now the picture has been cropped to the circle shape. And right now if I'm dragging to the left or right, it is not moving. So what you have to do is right click on that and go to the wrap text, and you need to click on the square, and after that drag it to anywhere on the page. So in this way you can easily crop the image in circle shape in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.